Hiccups. I tried everything. Hiccups.
I understand what's the matter.
I thought it was hiccups.
I'll be right back. I'm sorry, you were able to do hiccups. It works every time.
What is it? I'll try anything. Don't try anything.
Oh!
Move that force.
It works every time.
It's gonna work this time.
My sister, hold your breath for 1 minute. That was good. All time. I tried to hit those mid-time, and I don't know my breath, and then it go away. I'm not even sure how it works for you. Oh no, you know what I'm saying? Why are you doing this now?
Man, I'm not gonna die.
Did it work?
Yes.
See, I told you it works every time.
I'm so happy to hear these hiccups. Oh no, they're back.
You know you want to get rid of the hiccups?
Sure, the best thing I know is to sing the ABC song. If you sing it long enough, the hiccups will just go away. Are you sure that every time? Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, and Z. Hey, I think it did work. Thanks. No problem. It works every time. I have to remember that and see the ABC. Oh no, they're back. Can you still back the hiccups? Yes. Try checking up and down already. It works every time. No, I got a better one. Jump out the window and crack your arm on the bird and something like that will do it.
Is it working?
I don't know. Ridiculous. Everybody says it'll work, but nothing does work. Me.
Instead, the teacher's looking at you. Why don't we ask them if you can get a drink of water? It's very hot.
Okay.
Mr. Bell, instead of getting a drink of water, here's the hiccup. Okay, but first, hiccup for me.
What?
Hiccup for me, so I'll know and tell you the truth.
I can't eat them for you. They're all gone. I made it. They're really gone. Hooray! Yeah!
I know, it works every time.
Yeah!